Hi everybody, this is Jill for today. Thanks for coming into my kitchen. Today I'm making cowboy cookies. Yahoo, I am vegan cowboy cookies. And they're delicious and I think we should get started. In this bowl here I have a combination of flour, oats, a little bit of baking soda, a little bit of baking powder, and some salt. And so I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to bring in my mixing bowl. In here I have a cube of what I use, Earth Balance buttery sticks, because they're the best for baking. And I'm going to add now a flaxseed egg, which is some, powdered, or I should say ground flaxseed, with some water. So I've got that in there. And I'm going to put this in. This is my brown sugar and granulated sugar. So I'm going to put this on my stand mixer and get it moving. And once we have it nice and creamy, I'll bring you back. Okay, nice and fluffy there. I'm going to add a half of a teaspoon of vanilla. And really, I should have added that when I started the mixer up, but I didn't. And that's okay. We'll just have it, give it a little bit of movement here to get it in there. Shouldn't be more than a moment. Okay, that works. Now I'm going to put in the flour and oats that we had all pre-measured. And I'm going to incorporate this and we'll be back. All right, that's looking real good. I'm going to scrape everything down off the beater. I'm not sure why they call these cowboy cookies. I'm going to have to look up the true meaning of the word cowboy cookie and how it makes this cookie a cowboy cookie. All right, now comes the good stuff. I have here some, over here, you got it there? Yep, I've got some cranberries, dried cranberries, which are wonderful because they're only sweetened with juice, some chocolate chips, and some chopped pecans. Those are going in. And then I have some coconut, and that's going in. That's unsweetened coconut. And I'm going to mix this up until all those goodies are within that dough, and we'll be back to get ready to put them on a cookie sheet. I have taken this off my mixer and I'm going to clean off my beater blade there. Get all that good stuff off there. I see chocolate chips, nuts. Okay, there. That'll do that a little more later. And I'm going to just make sure this is all, yes, see, that's nice. It's all combined really, really well. So I asked the director, I said, do you want these to be a large scoop cookie or a small scoop cookie? And he said, well, what did you say?
It depends on how many cookies I get.
So I said, well, they're probably going to look better in a bigger cookie anyway. So I'm going to scoop a few of these out for you. Oh yeah, see how nice those look? Oh wow, huh? And I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put two to a line here to begin with to see how much they're going to spread, because I don't know how much they're going to spread. All right, once I have these done and ready to go into the oven, I'll bring you back. Yum, these are now all ready to go, and I've got my oven preset at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The rack's in the middle rack, right? And I'm going to put these in and they're going to cook between 10 and 12 minutes. And because I've not done this cookie before, I'm going to have to kind of judge on, how it looks, but we want it to be nice and golden brown and kind of crisp around the edges. And because they're vegan, we don't have to worry about them being really done because there's no egg to worry about, right? So once these are done, out of the oven and cooled and ready to taste, a nice big cookie with lots of good stuff in it. Take a look at that. Now I did look up why are cowboy cookies called cowboy cookies, and it says that they believe that they may have hailed from the state of Texas, or that they could be held off in, like, cowboys could take them off into the plains and they wouldn't get dried out or whatever, but they're cookies, right? Go.
Smoke it. Bite?
No, you go first. You always eat first. Oh, sounds a nice cook. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring this in here so you can kind of see. Gotta get a look at that. Hopefully that was not.
I like those.
I bet it's the coconut in there.
I love the pecans in there.
The
Wow.
texture.
That's phenomenal.
Do you know how many
That's one
times?
of the best chocolate chip cookies I've ever eaten. I'm telling you the truth.
I know. Do you know how many times I have looked at cowboy cookie recipes over the years and just kind of passed them
Those
by?
are better than we got on the trail when I was a cowboy.
Oh. Oh man. Wicked good.
Wicked good.
Wicked good.
Coconut, the pecans, chocolate chips. I got to tell you, I'm really disappointed because the microphone wasn't on and I had to eat a whole chocolate chip cookie.
It's true. I said, oh no, the microphone is off.
And like I said, these are some of the best chocolate chip cookies I
These
ever
are
tasted
some of the
in
best
my
chocolate
life.
chip cookies. You go ahead. I
Well,
would.
you take the first bite.
I don't really call
I
them.
took the first bite last
I don't really
cookie.
call them a chocolate chip. Oh my gosh, I don't really call them a chocolate chip cookie.
You want to show them that?
Yeah, this is just amazing.
These are really great. You taste the coconut, the pecans in there are just wonderful. Not to mention the chocolate chips.
This is take 3 on tasting.
Yeah. It's almost like it was deliberate that somebody was sabotaging us so I could eat more cookies.
The first time we realized the microphone wasn't on. The second time the TV decided to come on sound-wise. And so here we are with number 3. And it's okay because these are like the greatest cookies we've ever eaten in our entire life.
I will let you have first bite.
The texture, I'm telling you, and the taste is so good here. Oh my gosh.
Really a beautiful cookie.
I don't know what it is about this cookie.
Crunchy,
Chewy.
chewy.
Is it the coconut? What is making it so wonderful?
I think the oatmeal has a lot to do with it. The coconut, the pecans are so, wow.
And
Everything.
the combination of the raisins, cranberries, so you have that little bit of a tart thing, and then you throw in that chocolate chip.
I said this
Curveball.
twice before, I'll say it again. This is one of the best chocolate chip cookies I've ever eaten. It's delicious.
That is amazing. And I
what?
know, and I fought making cowboy cookies for 50 years.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw! All right, so
These are good.
they're
You'll
delicious.
regret
Oh, you've
this.
just got to try this recipe. Vegan, delicious, just awesome. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. I will put a listing in my description box down below of all the things I used today in my kitchen to make these cookies, all those wonderful little gadgets that you can find in my Amazon influencer store. It's now called the influencer store
Ooh,
instead of
I'm
affiliate.
impressed.
I'm an influencer.
Yeah, you've been an influence on me, that's for sure.
Check out my Facebook page, check out my Instagram, and all those links are down below. And we'll see y'all soon.
And try these cookies, and if you don't like them, send them to me, because I'll take all you can ship.
All right. Take
All
care,
right.
everybody. Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.
Bye.